In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the DNS cache in Firefox quickly and easily. This is a simple fix that can help when websites are loading incorrectly, pages are not updating, or you're having trouble reaching a site after a DNS change. Clearing the DNS cache forces Firefox to forget old lookup data and fetch fresh information again, which can solve a lot of common browsing issues. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss the next useful guide. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on your device. Once Firefox is open, go to the address bar at the top of the browser window and click inside it so you can type a new address. Now type about networking number DNS and press enter on your keyboard. This special Firefox page gives you access to DNS-related information and tools. Once the page loads, look for the DNS section. You should see an option labeled Clear DNS Cache. Go ahead and click Clear DNS Cache. The browser will instantly remove the cached DNS entries stored in Firefox. There's usually no big confirmation message needed. The action happens right away, and your local browser DNS cache is cleared. This can be especially helpful if a website recently changed servers, if you're seeing outdated content, or if Firefox is still trying to use an old IP address for a domain name. After clearing the cache, you can try reloading the website again and see if the issue is fixed. If the page still doesn't load correctly, you can also try refreshing the browser or restarting Firefox just to make sure the new DNS lookup takes effect cleanly. In many cases though, clearing the DNS cache inside Firefox is enough to resolve the problem. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to clear DNS cache in Firefox in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech tips, and check out the other videos on the channel for more quick fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.